I'm Dr. Stephen Smith, and I want to talk to you about something I deal with personally: gut dysbiosis. Every time I travel, I come back bloated, foggy, and carried 5 to 10 extra pounds on the scale. It's not real weight, but it's bad bacteria from too much sugar, and they are making me miserable. Brain fog, low energy, inflammation, it all comes from the gut. So here's a protocol I use to clean it out. It's the 3-product approach. I use 3 products, and here's why. Bacteria and yeast are clever. They become resistant to a single killing agent, but hit them with 3 different mechanisms all at once, the combination overwhelms them. That's the strategy. First, Candisol. This is an enzyme that breaks down the cell wall of yeast. No cell wall, no yeast. Simple. Take it on an empty stomach so it gets to work on the organisms, not your food. Second, Biocidin LSF. LSF stands for liposomal formula, and this one is the key to getting past biofilms. Biofilms are the protective mucus coating the bacteria secrete to shield themselves. Most killing agents just bounce right off. The liposomal formula penetrates that coating without you having to take a separate enzyme first. It's a combination of multiple killing agents in one product. Third, oregano oil. This is my workhorse. If I've indulged, I'm starting to feel that familiar bloat coming on. Oregano oil is my first move. Broad spectrum, effective, and I've relied on it for years. Dosing now, a word of caution. If you're new to this and you go in with a full dose of all 3 of these on day 1, you are going to feel terrible. And here's why. When you kill these organisms, they release toxins as they die. Kill too many too fast, and you flood your system. That's called a Hertzheimer reaction, and it's completely unnecessary. Think of it like starting a new exercise program. If you walk into that gym on day 1 and do 5 sets at maximum weight, you won't be able to get out of bed the next day. Same principle. Start low. 1 product for a couple of days, add the second, then the third, build up gradually. If you do overdo it, don't panic. Take a binding agent like activated charcoal or GI Guard, drink plenty of water, and back off. Let it clear, and then restart at a lower dose. That's it. Phase 2, rebuild. Once you're tolerating the protocol and clearing the infection, it's time to rebuild. The goal was never a sterile gut. The goal is a healthy gut populated with the right bacteria, so we move to a probiotic and a prebiotic. Here's something missed. Probiotics are living organisms and they need to be fed. If you don't supply the food, they'll actually start feeding on your gut wall. Now you have a different problem. The prebiotic is the fiber that feeds them and gives them a stable environment to colonize. Together, healthy bacteria produce compounds your body depends on: neurotransmitters, short-chain fatty acids, immune modulators. This directly affects your brain, your energy, and your inflammation levels. I don't care what chronic condition you're dealing with: neurological, metabolic, cardiovascular, autoimmune. Almost every one of them has a gut component. Fix the gut first. Everything else gets easier from there. This protocol is the cleaning phase. Start low, be consistent, and let it work. I'm Dr. Stephen Smith. Links to all the products are below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.